Hi everyone, you're very welcome today to this Zoom workshop. My name is Janine Davidson, I'm an artist. We will be looking at Homage to Sir Hugh Lane by Sean Keating. We will create a pattern tablecloth and our very own paper quill pen. For the pattern tablecloth you will need the hexagon shape, an A3 sheet of paper, colouring pencils or pens. Place the hexagon shape card on your A3 sheet of paper and trace around the shape. Trace around the hexagon shape multiple times to create a pattern. The pattern will look a little like honeycomb. Using a variety of colours, start to colour in the hexagon shapes. Some hexagons can have block colours and some hexagons can have patterns. You decide what your pattern will look like. Finish your pattern tablecloth and set aside. We will now make the paper quill pen. You will need a pencil, a pen, masking tape, double-sided tape, twine and scissors. Take your pen and remove the central part with ink and nib from the plastic and set aside. Using your masking tape, wrap around the top of the pen closest to the nib. Tightly wrap the masking tape a third of the way up the pen. Take two coloured sheets of paper stacked on top of each other, then place the pen on top. With your pencil, draw the outline of a feather. Holding the stacked paper sheets together, with a pair of scissors, carefully cut the feather shape out. Hold the two sheets carefully together. This will create two separate feather shapes. Cut two strips of double-sided tape and place in the centre of each feather shape. Remove any excess tape using scissors. Peel off the top layer from the double-sided tape on each feather shape. Place the pen on the double-sided tape in the centre of the feather shape. Take the second feather shape and place on top of the other feather shape. The pen will be in between the two layers. Press firmly to stick both pieces together. Do this on both sides to firmly stick the two pieces of paper together. Take your scissors and make small diagonal cuts in the paper on both sides of the pen. Carefully cut in towards the centre. This can be a little tricky, so take your time. When finished cutting, you can start to separate the edges of the paper. Take your time to separate the edges and fluff up the paper to look like a feather. Cut a piece of twine and tie a knot below the paper, about an inch above the nib of the pen. Double knot. With the scissors, cut off any excess twine. You can now write with your quill pen. Enjoy using your quill pen and tablecloth.